Bitcoin has just flashed this signal. So if you're a long-term trader, if you're a swing trader, if you're a short-term trader, please follow and subscribe and share with your friend about this video. Welcome to ymchannel. This channel is about the money mindset and the strategy, how to make more money from the trading. So now we start at the Bitcoin USD monthly chart. By the way, this channel is not your financial advisor. We only share this information for education purpose. So this is a monthly chart. My favorite indicator, the red zone, you know this, like this is a strong area and the green zone is our weak area, okay? So basically we are still in the weak area. It's not yet in the strong trend yet. So I've mentioned now we are in the very beginning stage of the bull market. Basically is in our phase one, the first wave, okay? So we need some adjustment or pullback for the big jump, okay? You always need to have a pullback and then a consolidation, basically. And then for the big jump, okay? For the wave three, the wave two is the adjustment. So now we look at this indicator. This is the interesting part. This is MACD. It's a free indicator. You can set on your indicator bars here. So basically every time when they flash a green bar, especially the deep green one, it means we are in the strong trend. You can see also here the deep green go up. Basically it's quite related. So when we have the green bar, so you can see this red zone also happen, okay? When we are in the pale green, is less strong, okay, but still strong, okay? So the red one, when the red one happen, basically mean is weak. We are going down, and the less, like the pink area is like the short power is less, is coming up again, okay? Okay, so now we are closing this candle in 2 weeks time. So one candle is 1 month. So we still have a 2 month. Today is 18th of July. So basically we need 2 more months to close this candle. But you can see the good thing is the green has happened. And then the blue line is going across above this red line. So basically when the blue above this red, this means this is our strong trend. This is a monthly chart. So it can all tell us this is a very, very long-term trend. What is going on? Okay, so this one you definitely need to take a look. This is our monthly chart. So yeah, we need to wait for the red zone happen to confirm. Okay, it's not yet happened. Okay, so the next chart I want to show is our daily chart. So in our daily chart, unfortunately, because I have mentioned many times, like a few weeks ago, we will have a pullback most likely around July or June. So it happened because in our history, for the Bitcoin history, always around this time, and we will have a pullback. But I have to tell you something. Bitcoin has been quite strong because it's battling. It did not really drop too much. It has been battling from 23rd of June to now, okay? So it has been battling. So even the pullback time has happened, even the timing is happening, it's still battling in this area, in this zone. So it's quite impressive, I would say. Okay, now what happened is with our free buy, free sell strategy, with this indicator, basically you will sell at this candle, okay? So I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just telling you what's going on with the chart, what the chart tell you. So basically we are now in the green zone. So basically we will have a downward little bit, and the green area will serve as a resistant line, resistant price or resistant area, okay? So if you haven't bought Bitcoin and you are not a long-term holder, if you want quick money, fast money, don't buy this moment, okay? Again, I'm not your financial advisor. It's just, I just tell you what's going on with the chart. I hope my information can help you to realize what's going on right now. So we just need to wait the green finish, and we use our free buy, free sell strategy to buy in again, okay? So this is the Bitcoin daily chart. Now we're back to the weekly chart. Last video I have mentioned, well, apart from the pullback time, you can avoid the double peak. We are at the double peak. I have also mentioned the weekly chart, the moving average 21 has served a very important resistance and support line. Okay, so far we are on top of this moving average. So basically it serves as a support line. So if this one pull back, this one is possible. This one will serve as support line. So far we are the support if they continue to go up when they hit the line, maybe around 28,000. Okay, so around this level will be our support. And let's see how it goes. Because it's a weekly chart, it's possible to have a wick to go down like this candle. Okay, so let's see how it go down. You can set this moving average on your chart as a reference. Is quite helpful indicator, I would say. So today's my sharing for the Bitcoin, and I see you in the next video. Click like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you next time. Bye bye.